body, sir.
What's going on?
I'm not sure. I just was told to let her know if you guys come by.
Okay.
So I'm going to give her a quick call and let you guys know. Let her know that
So there was a fight going on or something?
I was not present for that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are they fighting or something?
She was saying that it happens frequently.
Okay.
But this time it sounded like it was getting out of hand.
Okay, which store?
I don't know. So I'm not sure. 2 weeks ago, I was walking by their apartment, basically, on this side, and I was hearing someone yell, like, shut the f*** up, like, you stupid V word and all this other stuff, and I heard a slap, like, right after it, but I wasn't sure where it came from, and I couldn't call, like, I didn't want to call the police, and, like, you know.
Which room is it?
1401.
1401, okay.
1401. But the girl sounded scared, the one that called. She said, she was like, it sounds like it's getting really out of hand.
So it's hit number 4, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. You do me a favor, we stand out there and direct the other deputy that's coming to this area?
It's not, you're going to go to the fourth floor and it's going to be on this side.
Gotcha. Three 12 and 111. Sheriff's office, open the door! Sheriff's office, open the door! Step out. Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
It's over there.
Drop the gun!
I don't have it.
312, shots fired. Suspect down. Do not move! 312, get EMS my location.